Hey, Taslimul Hasan here, a professional web designer and developer. In this quick video, I will show you how you can reset your WordPress username and password from the database. So let's assume that this is our website camerabytes.com and we forgot the username and password and we cannot log in. So we have the cPanel access and let's recover the username and the password for that website. For doing so, you need to go to the domain to find the directory of that website. So we clicked on domain and this is camerabytes.com. The directory is home directory, home/camerabytes.com. Click here and you will get all the files for that website. Here click on the wp-config.php, view this file. From here you can find the database name and then you can edit the username and password from the database. So you can see DB name is this. So this is the database name. You can find it simply the define DB name comma the database name. So let's find this database on phpMyAdmin. Go to cPanel again and find phpMyAdmin. Click here and open the phpMyAdmin. Now find that database. So our database was WP712. Let's match it. You can see WP712 is our database. So we found our database. Then open the database and click on the users. You can see there is a user. The user is Taslimul, that is me, and the email is info@camerabytes.com, but the password is encrypted. To reset the password, just click on the edit on this user and remove this password. Put your own password. I put hello1234. You need to select the encryption model. The encryption model used by WordPress is MD5. Click on MD5 and then scroll down and click go. You can see the password has been resetted and it encrypted with MD5 encryption. So let's try to log in. Go back to the website and put /admin after the link. Now write the username, write the password and log in. You can see we just logged into our website. This is how you can reset your password even you don't have the username and the email, just using the phpMyAdmin database. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos on web development niche.